It's just so crazy how YouTube gurus have been deceiving their viewers with clickbaited content, telling them to turn on or off several features in their YouTube studio. Fuck that shit. That's clickbait and fake promises don't work. Despite their fake promises and instructions, has it really fixed zero views? You can agree with me that after turning on all those features in the home tab in the studio, you still stuck there with zero views. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 main steps to fix zero views in your channel without turning on any feature or any button in your YouTube studios. When you have zero views, it simply means that after uploading 2 to 3 videos in your YouTube channel, it's all ended in deadlock. No view at all. It's simply zero in impression, zero in views, zero in your analytics, and you feel depressed. But when you have no views, it simply means that you are having these views, but the views is just very minute and not that significant, and you keep wondering, what is it that I have done that is making me to have this low view? So the difference between zero views and low views is that when you have low views, you need to do the right thing so that the algorithm can suggest your video. But when you have zero views, that means your YouTube account has been either flagged or shadow banned or under surveillance, and it has lacked trust with the algorithm, and at that stage you are. The only thing you can do right now is to start building trust with the algorithm. There are several ways you can fix zero views on your channel or on your video, but I've compiled 3 tested and trusted ways to do it. And the first is by increasing your search ranking through YouTube SEO. Now let's head on to YouTube. Let me show you how it works. Currently, I'm on my YouTube and I want to show you how to increase your search ranking through YouTube SEO. Let's say we go to YouTube search and then type a particular keyword. Let's say how to write article on Medium using ChatGPT. Now, this is the kind of queries viewers search online. Let's say a viewer is looking for how to write article using ChatGPT, and we now type in this query and search. Now, when we search, we're going to have a lot of pop-up videos. Now, the first person to rank here, we have some ads and then some YouTube shorts ranking, but the main long-form video ranking here is this video by Nicholas Cole, and it has 13k views, and it was posted 2 years ago. So if anybody has typed in this query, this is the first creators, the person will actually take a look at his video because it's ranking first. Then going down, my video popped up here. You can see how to write article on media using ChatGPT, and because I have done a proper SEO, though I have low views, 63, but my videos still rank here. And when we go down, we see other creators, and another of my video still rank again. You can see that it is through the power of YouTube SEO, and that is what is going to increase your search ranking on YouTube when viewers search for your videos. So now, how do you do this proper SEO? This is the best way to fix zero views. Imagine 200 person clicked your video from different country, and subsequent time you release your video, YouTube is going to start suggesting your video to them, because after going through the searches, they have found your video worth clicking, because there are a lot of videos on YouTube search you can see currently, but when they click on your video, it signals to the algorithm that your video is highly relevant, and that is why those viewers have clicked after session. And what you will notice is that when you go to your analytics, your search traffic will increase. You will see the traffic coming from your searches and the kind of keywords they have been using in the last 28 days. With time, the algorithm will begin to build trust with your channel and start recommending your video. Stay tuned, because in my next video, I'm going to cover how to rank on YouTube with proper YouTube SEO. I'm going to take it step by step. Then secondly is through collaboration with big fan base. Those creators that already build their fan base, that already have big channels. As a small creator who is facing difficulties with low views, all you need to do is to reach out to them politely and then collaborate on live with them. By subsequently, the algorithm starts trusting your channel and seeing your channel very credible. And not just that, the big fan base, their viewers will start viewing your own video and you start getting noticed. The third way you can fix 0 views on your channel is by reaching out to YouTube team or YouTube support. And the easiest way you can reach out to them is on their Twitter or X handle. You just type at Team YouTube and then you can see a message and you send it to them, and they will reply in 24 hours. But this is not the best option, because most of the time they will refer you to their policy, their guide on how to create engaging content for you to start getting views, but that doesn't solve the problem. You still experience this 0 views even after reaching out to them. But on several occasions, some persons have said it solved their problem. So you can reach out to them on their X handle and definitely they will reply to you in less than 24 hours. And if your channel was wrongly flagged by YouTube bots or algorithm, they can help you to revive your channel by unflagging it or removing it from shadow ban. Last bonus tip for those of you that have watched this very moment is by going on break from your channel. Though this is not a absolute way of fixing it, but sometimes you need to allow your channel to rest. Probably you've bombarded the channel with a lot of videos that are uploading daily, and the algorithm have seen that this video is being auto-generated, it's spam-like, your video lacks trust, and it majorly happens to people that make videos around naughty content, but it's not certain. But these are the people that experience this kind of problem a lot. So to stay in the good side of the algorithm, to have a 100% healthy channel, you have to avoid naughty content. And if your channel is having that 0 views, what you need to do is to allow the channel to rest for a minimum of 3 months. By then, if the channel is being flagged, it must have been removed. That is why we see some channels that are doing very well, but they go on boost mode for over 3 months, some even 6 months. They don't post anything, and the channel has a lot of subscribers, but you discover that after experiencing 0 views, they abandon the channel for some certain period of time, and after a while they revive the channel back again, because you cannot definitely fight the algorithm. So stay tuned. If you are new to this channel, do well to click the subscribe button, because I will be releasing YouTube SEOs on how to fix 0 views, and that is going to be a game changer. Thanks for watching till this very moment. Have a lovely day.